Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings we need to go to lock screen and AOD, and then over here go to screen lock type. Over here you will need to enter your PIN code or password or whatever you use as a screen lock method, and over here we can enable fingerprints. Once we do that, if we didn't add a fingerprint yet, then of course we will set it up right now. So let's press continue and then let's register. Over here at the bottom, now we need to press our finger that we want to register, and of course we need to press and hold it for like a short while, then we need to release it, and then we need to keep pressing and releasing from different angles, ideally of course, because we want to register as much as possible. Of course we can set up more than one fingerprint, so if anything goes wrong you can just add one more time and make sure that every angle is actually registered. So let's keep pressing until we reach 100%. And there we go, we have 100. We can immediately add another fingerprint if you want to, or we can press done. Now over here we'll see some settings regarding the fingerprints, but we will skip this for now and let's press done. Now the fingerprint is enabled, and if we go to the lock screen, then we will see that the sensor is at the bottom, so we can press it in order to unlock our screen. Now in addition to that, if we go back, if you later on decide to edit your fingerprints or something, then instead of lock screen and AOD, we need to go to security and privacy, and then let's scroll down and go to biometrics. And here we have fingerprints. We can go there. We need to enter once again our screen lock method, so our PIN code, password, or something similar, or pattern. And over here we can also enable and disable the fingerprint by tapping on this side over here, the fingerprint unlock. And we have the same settings as before. And here we can find our fingerprints. We can also add a new one by pressing add fingerprint, so we can register another one. And we can also go for check added fingerprints. So now we will see the fingerprint sensor at the bottom, and we can press it with our finger in order to see which one it is. So once we press it, we will see the information which fingerprint it is. If you want to remove a fingerprint, then you want to press and hold it, and then you have the option to select which ones you want to remove, and then press just the remove button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.